I'm going to show you how to use a powerful buy-sell indicator to make money. Hit the like button and let's get straight into the video. So we are going to be trading this awesome strategy on TradingView, and it uses an awesome indicator that I'm going to share today. But for now, let's get the strategy built so that you can start making money day trading today. Let's get these two indicators added to our chart and get into the strategy. So step one for this is to make sure you're on TradingView. From here, click on the indicators tab at the top left of the screen. This is where we will be finding both indicators we are using today. For the first indicator, type in Vwap Divergence, and it's this free Vwap indicator here by Flux Charts. Once added to the chart, double click to enter its settings. Open the Style tab and let's remove both divergence dots from the indicator. This is an awesome feature, but this strategy focuses on a different method for entry. Next, let's open the indicator tab again. This time you can search SFX Algo or search Flux Charts to see the full list. We will be adding the SFX Algo indicator to our chart, just like a buy-sell indicator, but better. Now that we've added it to the chart, double click to enter the settings, open the Inputs tab, change this from 50 to 25, untick Dashboard, untick Rating Settings, untick Volatility Bands, including TP 1, 2 and 3, and there are the settings adjusted. So now let me show you exactly how to enter trades with this strategy. For a buy trade, we only need to be looking for trade entries when the VWAP line is green. This indicates an upward trend, and it would be silly for us to trade against it here, especially on a lower time frame. The next step for this strategy is to wait for the green buy label to paint on the chart. It's important to know that we only take buys when it is above the green VWAP line and never ever below. Now, the buy label does have a star rating out of 3, and this defines the quality of the trade signal, 3 being the best. But for this strategy, we will take all stars 1, 2 and 3. 3-star trades have a higher probability, but take longer to set up. So once we have our green VWAP and price has painted the buy label, we can enter the trade. Enter on the close signal candle here. We can use the ATR stop loss indicator with default settings to mark the level. It's this indicator right here, but if you only have the free TradingView and can only access 2 indicators, then I recommend using the recent swing low to place your stop loss, or if you have large candles during the move, then place the stop loss behind the previous large candle. From here, we can target a 1.5 risk to reward ratio, and you can also target a 2 risk to reward, but I have had more consistent results with a 1.5 target. So let's enter the trade and see where it hits. And as we can see, the trade hit our take profit nicely. Because it's a lower risk to reward, we can also risk 2% per trade instead of 1% to gain more profit. The same rules apply for a sell trade with colours changed. Wait for the VWAP to change to a solid red line. And from here, we'll be waiting for the main trade signal, which is the SFX sell label to paint. Step 3 is to enter the trade at candle close, place the stop loss at the ATR stop loss line, or if you have the free TradingView, then the recent swing high or 1 large candle away, and then target a 1.5 risk to reward. Okay, so now that that's all showcased, let me show you the exact results that I got with this trading strategy. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you've enjoyed so far, and check out my personal trading strategy in the description below. Okay, so here are the results for this awesome strategy. Considering this is a scalping strategy, we had a very healthy win rate of 61%. And starting with an account balance of $1,000, we made $2,759 over 100 trades. This gained 175% on the account with 61 wins and only 39 losses. We had a healthy profit factor of 2.35 with 4 consecutive winning trades and only 3 consecutive losses. But overall, these are some awesome results with very steady gains in profit from start to finish on the account. And if you want to trade this strategy for yourself and get full access to this premium indicator, then click the pinned link in the comments below and join Flux Charts today. If you sign up right now with code MO, you will get a massive 20% off at checkout, and you can even sign up 7 days risk-free to enjoy everything that Flux Charts has to offer, and I promise it is a whole lot more than this one awesome indicator. So click the link below and I will see you in the Discord. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.